Do you love yogurt, curd rice, but you are on a temporary low-carb diet? Try this low-carb, low-calorie version made with white pumpkin. It tastes just like the real yogurt rice, without any rice. Step 1. Steam 2 cups of peeled, deseeded, and chopped ash gourd, white pumpkin, until it is fully cooked and soft. Let it cool completely or refrigerate it until chilled. Step 2. In a bowl, add the cooled ash gourd. Mash it lightly. Add 1 cup of yogurt, salt to taste, and 1 to 2 finely chopped green chilies. Mix well. Add few spoons of milk if it's too sour. Step 3. Do the tempering. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee in a pan. Add half a teaspoon mustard seeds, let them splutter. Add curry leaves, cashew nuts, optional, a pinch of hing, and half a teaspoon grated ginger. Saute for a few seconds and pour this seasoning over the yogurt ash gourd. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Thanks for watching. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy low-carb Indian recipes.